Hey, what's up? This is Ronan with another Scratching Made Easy video for you. In this lesson, we're going to continue with chirping eighth notes, but this time we're going to throw in some quarter notes and quarter rests. You can find a link to the sheet music and everything mentioned in this video in the description below. That being said, let's get started. The tempo is at 87 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's do it again, but this time be sure not to rush through the rest. Make sure that you say the count properly. We want to be accurate with our counting. If you're rushing the count, it means you're ahead of the beat. If you're ahead of the beat, it usually doesn't sound good. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. As I've said before, having good timing is important, but unfortunately for some of us, it doesn't come naturally. A few ways to overcome this are by working hard, being patient, and getting in lots of repetition. All right, let's move on to the next example. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of people are unaware of the importance of playing in time, especially beginners. Just being aware of the importance of playing in time can help you focus on it. But oftentimes, this is not enough. That's why we here at Scratching Made Easy stress the importance of reading music. Notation gives us a visual representation of the rhythm. If you can read it, you can play it. As long as you can read the rhythm, the next step is just working out the timing. Let's move on to number 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and increase the tempo. But if you find that you're having issues playing accurately, slow down the tempo. All right, let's move on to number 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to develop your timing, go over this lesson several times until you get the hang of it. Remember that having good timing is one of the basic foundations of being a good scratch DJ. If you focus on this vital area, you're setting yourself up for future success. Thanks for checking us out. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. See you next time. Peace.